Running Club.
Hi, is this the running club meeting place?
Yes, it is. We meet near this blue bench every Saturday morning.
Great. I was worried I came to the wrong park.
No, you are in the right place. Are you joining us for the first time?
Yes, I am. I want to run more, but I am still a beginner.
That is completely fine. This group is friendly to beginners.
That makes me feel better. I cannot run very fast.
You do not need to run fast today. We start slowly and keep an easy pace.
How far do you usually run?
Today, we will run 2 kilometers around the lake.
2 kilometers sounds okay. Is there a short break in the middle?
Yes, we stop near the water fountain for 2 minutes.
Perfect. I brought a small bottle of water.
Good idea. The sun is not strong yet, but it may get warm later.
Should I stretch before we start?
Yes. Stretch your legs a little, but do not push too hard.
Like this?
Yes, that is good. Keep your back straight.
Thanks. I feel a little nervous.
Many people feel nervous on the first day.
Do people talk while running?
Some people talk and some people stay quiet. You can do what feels comfortable.
I think talking will help me relax.
Then we can run together for the first part.
That would be nice.
Listen, the group leader is calling us.
Are we starting now?
Yes. Walk first, then slowly start running.
Okay. I will follow your pace.
Great. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go slowly and enjoy the morning.
This already feels better than running alone.
At the travel agency.
Excuse me, I am planning a short trip and I need some help.
Of course. Please have a seat. Where would you like to travel?
I would like to visit a small city near the sea.
That sounds nice. Are you looking for a quiet place or a busy place?
A quiet place, please. I want to relax for 3 days.
I can suggest Harbor Town. It is calm, clean, and easy to walk around.
That sounds good. Is it far from here?
By bus, it takes about 3 hours. By train, it takes 2 hours.
I think the train is better. Is it expensive?
The train ticket is $24 each way.
Okay, do you have hotel options there?
Yes, there is a simple hotel near the beach and another one near the train station.
Which one is better for a first visit?
The beach hotel is better if you want a nice view.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Great. I only need one room.
A single room for 2 nights?
Yes, exactly. Friday and Saturday night.
Let me check. There is one single room available.
Good. Does the hotel have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does. It also has a small cafe downstairs.
Nice. Can I also get a city map?
Yes, I can give you a free map with the booking.
Thank you. That will help me a lot.
Would you like me to book the train and the hotel together?
Yes, please. That is easier for me.
Okay, may I have your full name?
Tom Miller.
Thank you. Your trip is almost ready.
Wonderful. I am already excited.
You will receive the tickets by email today.
Supermarket self-checkout.
Excuse me, can you help me with this machine?
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I scanned my apples, but the screen says I need to place them in the bagging area.
Yes, please put the apples on this scale area after scanning.
Oh, I put them in my basket again. Is that why it stopped?
Exactly. The machine checks the weight.
I see. Let me put them here.
Good. Now the screen is ready again.
Thank you. I also have bread, milk, and eggs.
You can scan the bread first. The barcode is on the bottom.
Found it. There it goes.
Great. Now scan the milk.
The milk barcode is a little wet. It is not working.
Let me wipe it with this paper towel.
Thanks. Now it worked.
Perfect. Be careful with the eggs. Place them gently in the bag.
I will. I do not want to break them.
Good. Do you have any fruit without a barcode?
Yes, I have 2 bananas.
Press this button that says fruit and vegetables.
Then I choose bananas?
Yes. After that, place them on the scale.
Okay, the price is showing now.
Great. Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, 1 small bag, please.
Press 1 bag here. It adds 10 cents.
Done. Can I pay by card?
Yes. Tap your card on the reader.
It says approved.
Then your receipt will print now.
Thank you for helping me. I was confused.
You're welcome. These machines take practice.
Airport taxi stand.
Good evening. Is this the taxi line for the city center?
Yes, it is. I am the next taxi driver. Where are you going?
I need to go to City Star Hotel on River Street.
I know that hotel. It is near the old bridge.
Great. Is it far from the airport?
It usually takes about 30 minutes.
Is traffic heavy tonight?
A little, but not too bad. There was more traffic 1 hour ago.
That is good to hear. I have 1 suitcase and 1 backpack.
Don't worry. I can open the trunk for your suitcase.
Thank you. It is a bit heavy.
Please stand back for a moment. I will lift it carefully.
Thanks. Can I sit in this back seat?
Of course. Please get in and fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. Do you accept card payments?
Yes, cash or card is fine.
About how much will it cost?
Usually around $35, depending on traffic.
Okay, that sounds fine.
Do you want the fastest way or the quiet road by the river?
The fastest way, please. I am tired after the flight.
I understand. I will take the main road.
Thank you. Is the hotel close to restaurants?
Yes, there are many small restaurants on the same street.
That is useful. I may eat something after check-in.
The hotel also has a small cafe, but it may close soon.
Then I will ask at the hotel desk.
Good plan. We are leaving the airport now.
I can see the city lights. They look beautiful.
Yes, the city is nice at night.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. I will get you there safely.
Dentist appointment change.
Hello, I have a dentist appointment tomorrow, but I need to change the time.
I can help with that. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Tom Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Let me check the schedule.
My appointment is at 9 in the morning.
I see it here. It is for a regular checkup and cleaning.
Yes, that is right. I have a work meeting at the same time.
No problem. Would afternoon work better for you?
Yes, afternoon is better.
We have 2 times available tomorrow, 2:30 or 4:15.
4:15 would be perfect.
I can move your appointment to 4:15.
Thank you. Will the dentist still have enough time?
Yes, the appointment is 30 minutes.
Great. Do I need to bring anything?
Please bring your ID and your insurance card.
I have both. Should I arrive early?
Please arrive 10 minutes early to update your form.
Okay. Is there parking near the clinic?
Yes, there is a small parking lot behind the building.
That helps. My tooth does not hurt. It is only a checkup.
That is fine. If you have pain before tomorrow, please call us again.
I will. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. I have changed your appointment now.
So it is tomorrow at 4:15?
Correct. Tomorrow at 4:15.
Perfect. I will be there.
We will see you then. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Apartment noise problem.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a minute?
Yes, Tom. Is everything okay in your apartment?
Mostly yes, but there is a noise problem at night.
I am sorry to hear that. What kind of noise do you hear?
I hear loud music from the apartment upstairs.
What time does it usually start?
Around 11 at night, sometimes later.
That is quite late. How many nights has this happened?
3 nights this week.
Thank you for telling me. Did you speak with the neighbor?
Not yet. I do not want to be rude.
I understand. It is better to be calm and polite.
Could you send a general reminder to the building?
Yes, I can send a quiet hours reminder to all tenants.
That would be helpful.
Our quiet hours start at 10 in the evening.
I did not know the exact time.
It is written in the building rules, but many people forget.
I just need to sleep earlier because of work.
Of course, everyone needs rest at night.
If the music continues, what should I do?
Please write down the date and time, then tell me.
Okay, I can keep a small note.
Good. I will also check if other tenants hear the same noise.
Thank you for taking this seriously.
You're welcome. You were polite to come to me first.
I hope the reminder is enough.
I hope so too. I will send it this afternoon.
Thanks, Emma. That helps a lot.
No problem. Let me know if it happens again.
Ordering soup.
This soup smells really good. What soups do you have today?
Today we have tomato soup, chicken soup, and vegetable soup.
I would like something warm, but not too heavy.
Then tomato soup may be a good choice.
Is it spicy?
No, it is mild. It has tomatoes, cream, and a little basil.
That sounds nice. Can I have a small bowl?
Yes, of course. Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. Is the bread fresh?
Yes, it came from the bakery this morning.
Great. Do you also have salad?
We have a small green salad with cucumber and lettuce.
I think the soup and bread are enough for me.
Would you like water or tea?
A bottle of water, please.
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please. Oh,
Got it. 1 small tomato soup, fresh bread, and still water.
that is correct.
Would you like the soup here or to go?
Here, please. I want to sit by the window.
Sure. The small tables near the window are open.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes. The soup is almost ready.
Perfect. I am not in a hurry.
Do you want pepper on top?
Just a little, please.
Of course. I will add a small amount.
How much is it?
It is $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap here.
Done.
Thank you. I will bring the soup to your table.
Phone battery problem.
Excuse me. My phone battery is getting very weak.
I can take a look. Does the battery die quickly?
Yes, it goes from full to 20% in a few hours.
How old is the phone?
About 3 years old.
That may be the reason. Older batteries often become weak.
Can you replace the battery here?
Yes, we can replace it, but we need to test it first.
How long does the test take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine. I can wait.
Is the phone turning off by itself?
Sometimes it turns off when it is still at 15%.
That is a clear battery sign.
I also charge it twice a day now.
Then a new battery could help a lot.
How much is the replacement?
It is $45, including the battery and work.
That sounds okay. Will I lose my photos?
No, changing the battery does not delete your photos.
Good. I was worried about that.
It is still smart to back up your phone later.
I will do that tonight.
Do you have your charger with you?
Yes, here it is.
Great. I will also check if the charger works well.
Could the charger be the problem?
It is possible, but your battery sounds weak.
I understand.
Please unlock the phone for the test.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You can sit in that chair while I check it.
Thanks. I hope it can be fixed today.
I think it can. I will tell you the result soon.
Book club meeting.
Emma, did you finish the book for today?
Yes, I finished it last night. What about you?
I finished it this morning, just in time.
Nice. What did you think of the story?
I liked it. The beginning was slow, but the ending was strong.
I agree. The first chapters were quiet, but they were important.
The main character changed a lot.
Yes. At first, she was afraid to speak. Later, she became brave.
That part was useful for English learners too,
Why do you say that?
because she made mistakes but still tried again.
That is true. It is a good lesson.
I wrote 3 new words in my notebook:
Which words?
brave, honest, and promise.
Good words. I wrote careful, lonely, and decide.
The word decide is useful in daily life.
Yes. We can use it in many sentences.
Did you like the ending?
I did. It was happy, but not too easy.
I liked that. The story felt real.
What question should we discuss first?
Maybe why did the character leave her small town?
Good question. She wanted a new life, but she was scared.
That makes the story more interesting.
Yes, and it makes readers want to continue.
I also liked the short chapters.
Me too. They were easy to read after work.
Should we choose another simple book for next week?
Yes, maybe a mystery story this time.
A mystery sounds fun.
Great. Let's suggest it to the group after this meeting.
Math exam review.
Emma, can we review fractions before the math exam?
Sure, fractions are important for tomorrow.
I understand easy fractions, but word problems confuse me.
Let's start with a simple one.
Okay, I am ready.
If you eat 1/2 of a pizza, how much is left?
1/2 is left.
Correct. Now, if you eat 1/4 more, what is left?
1/2 is 2/4. Then 2/4 minus 1/4 is 1/4.
Exactly. You explained it well.
That makes sense when we use pizza.
Pictures help a lot with fractions.
What about adding fractions with different bottom numbers?
You need a common denominator.
That sounds difficult.
It is not too bad. For 1/2 plus 1/4, make 1/2 into 2/4.
Then 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4.
Yes, very good.
I feel better already.
Good. Let's also review time problems.
I always make small mistakes with minutes.
Try drawing a small clock in your mind.
For example, if class starts at 9:10 and ends at 10, it is 50 minutes.
Correct. You counted well.
What should I do during the exam if I get nervous?
Take a slow breath and read the question twice.
Sometimes I answer too quickly.
Then underline the important numbers first.
That is a good idea.
Also, check your answer at the end.
I will. How long should we study tonight?
Maybe 1 more hour, then rest.
Rest is important too.
Yes. A tired brain makes more mistakes.
Thanks for helping me review.
You're welcome. You are ready if you stay calm.